Hi everyone, SK here. Today I want to show you how to insert video in text using PowerPoint, like what you have just watched. Please click the subscribe button so that you will get notification when new contents like this come out. So let's go to my computer. Go to PowerPoint, click Insert to insert text. Change the font size. Choose the font. Choose the strong and heavy font. And draw a shape, a square shape. Right click, click Send to Back. And now press the Shift key on your keyboard and click at the font, the text here. Then click Merge Shapes and choose Intersect. And now go back to Insert and click Video. Choose the video that you want to put in. Now right click at the video and send it to the back. And now we want to adjust the video. So that we can see the face of this guy in the text here. Now press the Shift button key on your keyboard and click on the text and go to Merge Shape and select Intersect. Now click Playback and change to automatically here and take look until stop. Now we can change the background. Change to black. And we can change the shape effects. Put reflection. Click on slideshow, see how it goes. You can also add video before this video. Click new slide. Insert and choose video. Now we can add effect on this text. Go to transition and you can play around with the transition here. I will go for morph. You can save this as a video MPV file. Go to File, click Export and create a video, and you can preview it here. You can also upload the MP4 video to your video editing software. I have video about tips and tricks in video editing using Canva, and you can click at the thumbnails on the screen now to watch it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you soon.